Thursday, January 4th, 2024. Focus. We have found the Messiah. He brought him to Jesus. All through life, we search for love, a job, a house, and friends. Sometimes, by the mercy of God, we find what we are seeking. Yet, each one acts differently thereafter. Some of us, especially if what we find is precious, keep it to ourselves. Others immediately tell the world about it. For me, God the Father sharing His Son with us is the ultimate gift. When we find Jesus, not just by the circumstance that our family is Christian, but because we have made a personal connection with Him, our hearts are full. But do we then share our treasure like Andrew, or hoard it? It helps to remember that we would not have been so blessed if other Christians had not shared Jesus with us. In Goa, we have reason to be grateful to many people. To St. Francis Xavier in a special way. He came from afar, enduring every challenge, to share the mission of St. Ignatius of Loyola of taking Jesus to the world. Can we follow in his footsteps? Francis Xavier's life witnessed to the Lord. He preached, but also lived among the sick and ministered to them. He inspires us to share Jesus by being Christ-like in our way of living. Fruit. May I always remember that the way I live signals to others that I am a follower of Jesus, like St. Francis Xavier.